Hi, the October numbers are out, and I want to share with you what that means for you and your family. The sales from last year to this year are down 49.1%. That's a lot, but we knew that last year was a record year, and so this year we anticipated a reduction in the number of sales. We didn't know exactly how much, but that's pretty much in line. What's interesting though is from the previous month, which is the month of September to October, there was only a 0.2% decline in the number of sales. So very, very steady. The price from last year to this year is down 5.7%. But from September to October, down nothing. It maintained its value. So that's interesting to know. What's really another factor that we really have to look at, it's the listing inventory is down from last year 11.6%. So it's Frank Leo here to break this down so you understand how that affects you and your family. With less inventory out there, there's less product and the prices are maintained. Why are sellers not selling? Well, we found something very interesting. A lot of sellers want to make the move, but because they have a mortgage at a low rate, if they make that move, they can't keep the rates as low. So it's stopping them from making the move. They're waiting to see if the market will change in terms of the prices going up, or if they can get interest rates to go lower and maintain the rates that they have in terms of payments. So that's the seller's perspective. From the buyer's perspective, they're stepping back saying, hey, we're seeing that prices have come down a little bit. I'm hoping to see prices go down some more. And so that's something that they're waiting for. But this week alone, the Federal Reserve in the US increased their rates by 0.75%. Now, that means that the US rate is higher than the Canadian rate, which we increased by 0.5. Now, what that means for Canada is that our dollar is going to lose its strength compared to the US dollar. And that's going to hurt our trade ability, and the cost of living is going to go up. Inflation. So that means that in December 7th, when the Bank of Canada reconvenes and they decide what they're going to do, looks like the rates are going to go up even higher. So that's something to be aware of. So what does that mean for sellers again? Well, if sellers are wanting to wait for the market to change, they have to consider that a lot of sellers out there can't wait if their mortgage is going to be renewed, that they have to actually do something because the amount of increase on their monthly payments is going to be more than they can or want to handle. So we're going to see more homes coming on the market in the new year, and that means more competition. Now, from a buyer perspective, they want to wait, but if they wait to the new year and the rates also go up, they're going to have to pay more for borrowing, and so that might offset any price depreciation that they will look for. So one thing you have to ask yourself, will it be a better time to make a move? Well, that's the big question. Until next time.